Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a video on SoundHound stock. Now this one today is up by 4.27%, a very impressive day. And you come over here, you look at the 5-day trend and you can see that's also green, now by 21.6%. The past month here is looking very good, gains nearly 50%, and now the question is, where do we go from here? Well, over the course of this video, I'll be sharing with you my personal thoughts and opinions based on everything that we are seeing. If it sounds like a good episode, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It does help me out a lot, but I'd also like to remind you that I am not a financial advisor and these videos are never financial advice, so you should make sure you are doing your own research. If you want to come over to Patreon, where you can find exclusive content behind the scenes along with some of the stocks that I'm paying attention to, including some of the penny stocks, I do recommend you click the link in the description. You'll find articles, like I say, videos as well, loads of stuff over there. I think it is very good value for the money. Anyway, now that I've said that, we might as well jump straight in and come to looking at this stock. Now obviously today has been a green day, that is very good. Breaking down that trend a bit further, you can see the majority of this growth coming in from the morning, where we saw the stock go up by 8%. Ever since towards the afternoon, we saw the stock actually begin to fall 4.9%, again leaving us with a total gain of 4.27% up. Now what this means is we have established now some nice levels, and you come to the 1-day trend, the 5-day trend even, and you are now seeing the indicators on here, such as the RSI, coming very much to the neutral stage. You come out to the 1 month and we are still very high, but again this little drop that we've seen towards the late part of the day is bringing us down slightly and just onto the cusp of the normal, if not upper side levels. So what are we looking for next? Well, I think the first thing to acknowledge is that the stock going up today by the amount that we have shows a lot of growth. You know, despite the fact we did see that little dip in the last day or so, we've been able to remain above 1720, 1725, which is a historical level of support that we saw on Monday the 22nd, so literally just yesterday or the day before. So things are looking very, very good. In terms of the actual more strong levels of support, you can see here at 1775, 1776, they appear to be holding up very nicely. I think this is going to be a key level to watch into tomorrow and the next couple of days. I think if you're able to hold on to these, which I do think is an absolute possibility, you're looking then to see a potential of a push, right? Higher levels to hold would also be 1794, but that is going to be a little bit more on the ambitious side, again, if we do begin to fall. Is it holding up nicely now though? Yes, it is a possibility, and if we do see another green day tomorrow, then you're looking at huge potential. Speaking of which, what are we looking at to the upside if we do see that? Well, the first level that I'm looking to break is going to be 1865 for a potential push then onto 19, if not $20 from there, right? I think things are very impressive. I think today's trend, the trend over the last few days, just shows how much strength is behind this stock. The fact we're able to push up continuously, despite the fact that we're up so big recently, I think it shows that there is still that momentum here, there is still that potential here. Anyway, those are some of the key levels that I'm personally watching out for. I am very impressed by what we are seeing. I think if things carry on like this, we're going to see some potentially very interesting days to come. Again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be speaking about some more stocks here on the channel too. I'll leave you with some information on the Patreon before we do finish, but thank you so much for your time. See you later. You guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day? I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.